Okay, this year I grew a vegetable, it's so dangerous, I've got to wear goggles when I go in the greenhouse. Okay, I can't work out if the goggles are overkill or not, but this vegetable fires its seeds out at 30 miles an hour. And when you're in here, it does just ping them around. They will go off at any point, and if you run your hand through the bush, then it's going to go, you're going to get a lot of fire. As you can see, the frost has killed this now. So it's not, the leaves are all dead, but you can see what a brute this was. This is about 4 plants worth, and it's almost filled my greenhouse. I kind of regret planting so many. I think one would have been absolutely fine. And even though the frost has got them, we'll get a few to explode for us maybe. So let's have I can grab one. And these are closely related to like the acachoas, which I've done a video on before, or chokers. Oh, there you go. And that is why we're wearing goggles, okay? Look at the shape of these seeds as well. I reckon they would take you, they do some damage to your eye, right? Let's get a smaller one and see if we can get one that we can try and eat. They're honestly not, is that gonna, this one's quite tough. Could be because of the frost. They're not that tasty. I don't think they're a food crop that I want to grow again, not to feed us. The achoa's actually quite a useful crop in some respects. These ones are a lot tougher. It's where the skin has kind of pulled itself around, so it's all under tension. Let's get another one, see if we get another one to explode a bit closer to the camera. Oh, it's going that. So you see, there you go. I did that one slowly, so we can save the seeds from some of these. But because it's under that tension, it's got quite a tough, stringy bit in it. And the spikes are a little bit harder than on a choker. So yeah, not a crop I'm going to grow again, but really, really good fun. The boy has been particularly entertained by these. They're just mad, absolutely mad. I mean, look at that, it's wrapped around my finger. It's under such tension, that one bit. You can see how it grows. It's got that curve on it, and then never works when you want it to. And then you let it go. That seed's just gone off into the corner of the greenhouse over there. So yeah, watch this as I go into here. Oop, tread on tomatoes. So, got these. Seeds flying everywhere. Maybe there'd be a good security system. So yeah, the exploding cucumber, I'm not sure it's a vegetable I'm going to grow again. It has been fun to grow. It is an absolute brute and a bully and has taken over half the greenhouse. That's one of the main reasons that puts me off. It is quite a fun one to grow. I should imagine I'm going to have hundreds of seedlings in here next year because they are going to self-set everywhere. And if it's like the achoka's seeds will just last and last and last. Doesn't matter if they're mouldy, if they get wet, they seem to germinate. Another one's just gone off then. You need your goggles, and it does make the greenhouse a bit of a hellscape. So yeah, good fun. Not on my regular growing list. I will save some seed, maybe get some away if people want to try it at the seed swap. But yeah. As I'm still outside the greenhouse, I can still hear them firing, so it's like going off in there. I mean, yeah, fun veg, but I'm not growing them again.